محمد نبيا ورسولا رب زدني علما وارزقني فهما برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين آمين.
Okay, let's check your attendance first. Razak. Okay, is everyone present today?
Yes.
Alright. Before we start the lesson today, I have a question for you. The question is, have you ever met someone new? Apakah kalian pernah bertemu dengan orang baru? Okay. If you introduce yourself? Kalian perkenalkan diri kalian?
Yes.
Okay. How do you introduce yourself? Or what information do you share?
Name.
When? Okay, name. What else?
From.
No from, but address. Address.
Address.
Okay. What else?
Oh.
Bukan O ya, age. Apa arti age? Next. Ada yang tahu lagi? Alamat, address, ya? Hobi. Atau bisa kita sebut dengan interest. Who can tell me what is self-introduction? Oke, perkenalan diri. Atau bisa disebut juga self-introduction is an expression that we can use to introduce ourselves. Okay. In general, there are several steps that we can follow in introduce ourselves. First, we can start from opening.
Pembukaan.
Ada yang tahu arti opening?
Pembukaan.
Okay. Next, we can masuk ke konten. What is content?
Tujuannya. Isinya, intinya.
Next, closing.
Menutup.
Okay. Okay. We start from the opening. In the opening of self-introduction, we can use greeting. Did you remember what is greeting?
Sapaan.
Okay, sapaan. Who can tell me the example of greeting?
Hello
Raise
everyone.
your hand.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone. What else?
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay. Boleh. Okay. Next, kita bisa jatuh di sini. Greeting bisa hi or hello.
Good morning.
Friends, for example. And
Good morning.
boleh.
How are you?
Good morning.
Evening.
Next, content. Konten atau
Isi.
sebelum kita masuk ke konten, sebelum kita memperkenalkan diri secara inti, kita bisa menggunakan several expression. The first expression we can
introduce myself.
Okay. Let me introduce myself. Next, ada yang tahu? Ada lagi?
I want.
I would like
I would like.
to introduce myself. Next, we can use the expression allow me to introduce myself.
Hope yani.
Kalau yang nomor 2 itu ikut apa sih?
Sorry. Before kita memperkenalkan diri secara inti, kita harus memulai dengan mengucapkan ekspresi ini. Silakan baca yang nomor 1. Oke, kamu nomor 2. Introduce ya. Kamu nomor 3. Next, kita masuk ke konten. Dalam konten itu ada yang namanya personal details. Nah, di dalam personal details ini baru terdapat yang namanya name, age, address. What? Oh, itu age, okay. And so on. We start from name. Can anyone give me an example of expression? Can you introduce your name?
Silma.
My name is Silma.
Okay, my name is Okay. Next, what else?
I am.
Okay, I am. Nama kamu. Okay. After you introduce our name, apa yang kita perkenalkan lagi?
Nickname.
Nickname. Okay. Next.
Address.
Apa? Age dulu. Age. Who can tell me the expression can introduce your age?
16.
I am 16 years old.
Okay. I am
16 years old.
16 years old. Next, address. We can use expression I'm from. For example, Kubang Putih.
Bunga putih ya.
Ada yang bisa kasih contoh lagi selain itu?
I'm from Cirebon.
Oke, yang
I come from.
I come from.
Anda.
I come from. Tinggi. Oke. Kalau tempat tinggal kita sekarang, what expression that we can use? Okay, I live. I live in
Tabua.
Kubang Putih, Tabuk. What else?
Oh, bukitnya tinggal, Bu. Mata buktinya tidak perlu dipercaya, Bu.
Okay, next, job or study? Karena kita masih sekolah, jadi kita study aja. We can use the expression I study. Study in mas
Tiga agam.
3 agam. Next, we can use I am. I am a student of mas
Tiga agam.
3. Next, Ikaras. Interest or hobby. In this personality, we can use the expression my hobby
Is.
my hobby is
Is. Moving.
drawing.
Playing badminton.
Okay, playing badminton. Sorry, ako. Okay. I will
Love you. Ya. Jadi banyak ya.
itu yang paling belakang. What's your hobby? Oh, dari what expression? Okay. My hobby is playing football. Okay. Can anyone tell me what is trip? What is trip? What is trip? Impian atau
Cita-cita.
cita-cita. Okay. The expression that we can use, first we can use my dream. My dream is to become a doctor. Okay. Can anyone give me an example? Siapa yang bisa kasih contoh?
It's me.
Okay.
I want to be English lecturer.
I want to be
English lecturer.
English lecturer. Okay. Okay. That's all about the content. Now the closing. I think
That's all about
okay, do you understand?
yes.
Alright. Siapa yang mau? Raise your hand. Okay. I will give you exercise. Tolong dikerjakan. Buat di buku tentang memperkenalkan diri. Dan kerjakan based on the steps. Start from the
Closing.
opening
Until
until
closing.
Okay, have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, silakan supervisor.
Oke,
Okay, sit down please. Today we learn about self-introduction. Who can tell me what is self-introduction?
Perkenalan diri.
Who can tell me in English?
Introduction myself.
Okay, or self-introduction is an expression to introduce ourselves. Okay. Tadi kita belajar tentang step-stepnya. Raise your hand. Who can tell me what steps we need to introduce ourselves? Apa step-stepnya tadi? Ada 3?
Ada.
Okay, first, opening.
Content. Closing.
Next, tadi di content ada yang namanya personal details. Apa saja personal detailsnya tadi?
Name.
Age,
Address. Live. Interest. Dream.
Okay. Do you understand the material today?
Yes.
Alright. Maybe that's all our material today. Thank you, and I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.